So now the next question we are solving is this. We are still under kinematics. A ball is thrown vertically upward. It reached a maximum height of this. Calculate the time it will be in the air. Okay, so the first thing we do is a ball is thrown vertically upward. This is the ball. It was thrown vertically upward. It gets to a height of 55 meters. 55 meters. So we know that when something is thrown up, from my explanation in the previous video, our A is negative gravity, so A is minus 9.8 meter per second squared. Our U needs to be known, so our final velocity at maximum height is 0. So we're looking for the time it will be in the air. So for us to get the time it will be in the air, first of all, we need to know what our initial velocity is. Okay, so now from the Newton laws of motion, from the equation of motions, so V is equal to U plus AT, that's the first one. S is equal to UT plus 1 over 2 AT squared, that's the second one. V squared is equal to U squared plus 2X. So which of them will help us to get our U? We know our V, we know our X, we know our A, so we know that our U is unknown, we know that our V is 0 meter per second seconds. We know that our G, which is equal to A, that is our A, 9.8 meter per second squared. Then we know our X, which is 55 meters. Okay, so if you check very well, it is this one that will enable us to get our U. So V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AX. Our V is already 0 squared equal to. So this is something that is going up. So our A is minus 9.8 because it's against gravity. So our U is unknown. We are looking for it. Plus 2 into what is our A? Minus 9.8. Then what is our X? Our S is 55. So here 0 squared is 0 equal to U squared. So 2 times 9 minus 9.8. So this is 2 times minus 9.8 times 55. 2 times minus 9.8 times 55, which will give us minus 1078. So this can go over to be minus U squared equal to minus 1078. Minus can cancel minus. Our U will be square root of 1078. So square root of that will give us square root of 1078 will give us 7 sod 22 meter per second. So don't forget what we did. Anytime something is going up, we need our U. We need our U. So that's what I tried to obtain. V squared is equal to U squared plus 2X. V squared is 0 because at maximum height, final velocity is 0. Our U is unknown plus 2. A is negative gravity because it's against gravity, minus 9.8. Then the maximum height is 55. So 2 times minus 9.8 times 55. Which gave us 1078. So square root of that will now give us our initial velocity. So now next thing is to get the time. So the time it will be in the air, or the time it will spend in air, is the time it used to get to the maximum height and the time it used to return. The time it used to reach maximum height and the time it used to return. So but for now, let us get the time it used to reach maximum height. So time to get to maximum height, that's what we're looking for. So now we know our U to be 7 sod 22 meter per second. We know our V to be 0 meter per second. We know our A to be minus 9.8 meter per second squared. So now we're looking for what? T. So we're going to apply the first equation. Now if you check very well, all the problems I have been solving under kinematics, what I normally use is this third equation and this first. I use this third to get either V or U. Then I always use this first to get my what? My T. As simple as that. This second one is also applicable, but I don't normally love using it. But it is very, very applicable. If you combine equation 1 and equation 3, you get equation 2. You can still you can combine them. But I know that there are some works only this one can do, that you combine equation 1 and equation 2 to solve. But I prefer using 3 and 1 to make my life beautiful. So now I want to get the time it used to reach maximum height. V is equal to U plus 80. So what is our V? Our V is 0. What is our U? 7 sod 22. What is our A? Minus 9.8. Then times what? T. Bring this over. Minus 7 sod 22 is equal to minus 9.8 T. Minus cancels minus. So our T will be 7 sod 22 divided by 9.8. So 7 sod 22 divided by 9.8. So that should give us 3.350 seconds. So this is the time to reach maximum height. Time to reach maximum height, 3.350 seconds. Now, what is the total time of flight? That is time to reach maximum height and the time to return. So the time to reach maximum height, the time to reach here will still be the same thing as the time to return. So as you can see, time to reach up is exactly the same time it will use to return. So it means that time to reach time it will be in the air is time to reach up plus the time to return, which is equal to 2 times t, because t1 is always equal to t2. So our t, the time it will spend in air will be 2 times 3.35, because time to reach maximum height is this. So time it will spend in air is the one it used to go up and the one it used to return. That is 2 times the one it used to go up. So times 2. This will now give us 6.7 seconds. Okay, so that's how to do that.